So today I've got a new switch for me right here. This is a Cherry Silent Black. The Cherry Silent Black, it's based on the regular black switch, which is a linear switch, about 60 gram actuation force, somewhere around there. And the difference, obviously, is that this model is silent. The physical difference is really, there's a slight color change in the stem. This is a little bit lighter. It's not really pure black. It's like a dark gray. I guess that's a way you can easily see which switch you have. But the actual construction of the stem is almost the same, but they've added a few things to the stem to make the switch quiet, or what they say silent. It's not totally silent, but it is much quieter than a regular switch. Now here on the stem, I don't know if you can see it here, but there's these little white, it's kind of like a bumper. They are on the shoulders of the slider, or the side part of the switch, and then also on the bottom. And what this bumper does is it absorbs the impact of bottoming out the switch, and then also on the upstroke when it kind of comes up and smacks against the top of the switch and makes noise. So it's got bumpers to kind of quiet it down, to absorb that. So I've got a new keyboard. It's a Filco TKL keyboard, and the previous owner put the silent black switches in there. So I was really surprised when I got it that how much I liked them. I typically don't use linear switches, but these have a pretty good weight. They're not too soft. Like the reds, I tend to bottom out and clack on those pretty hard. But these have a little more force, and plus with the silent stem, they kind of sound pretty cool. It's a really quiet keyboard. So I'll show you that here in a second. So here's the Filco with the silent blacks. Actually, the only silent keys are in the alphas and modified areas here in the center part of the keyboard. The F keys and the keys over here still have the regular black switches. And as you can see here, or as you can hear, they still kind of make a fair bit of noise. And then the silent switches here in the center part. So there you have it, Cherry Silent Blacks. So instead of you got the, pretty nice, like this keyboard a lot.